guys, so today on the menu I am making delicious but super spicy firecracker tofu, and it's all done with just a couple of ingredients, so it's super quick, super simple, but super delicious. So I started with about 12 of these tofu puffs. They come pre-fried from the Asian grocery store, and all I did was I washed them out a little bit, cut them in half, and then put them in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they got crispy. And that way I didn't need to fry my own tofu at all. It's super easy that way. And this is just something that I've been getting myself into, is to just have all of the ingredients prepared first. It actually saves you a lot of time. It's a lot of a calmer way of cooking. So I'm going to start off with a wok and a little bit of oil just to heat everything up and release those flavors. So I'd say about medium heat, and I'm going to throw in my red pepper flakes along with my garlic and ginger, and I'm just going to fry those up for about a minute until it gets nice and aromatic. So after about a minute, I just add in the rest of my ingredients. So that's the tofu puffs, the soy sauce, some date syrup, some hot sauce. Recipe is all going to be down below, but that's just how easy it is. And the date syrup is nice because it gives this sauce a nice kind of sticky consistency so that everything adheres to the tofu puffs. And then towards the end, I just garnish it with some scallions, some additional kind of red pepper just to bring everything to life, and you're done. It's like a 5-minute dish. So it does not get any easier than this. Now, if you don't have the tofu puffs, feel free to use some firm tofu and stick it in some cornstarch and give it a fry. But these are actually pretty readily available. And this dish is full of flavor, so you do want to pair it with something like rice or something like quinoa, just to dial that flavor down. And of course, those of you who like it really spicy, feel free to add more hot sauce and more chili pepper. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. I think it's going to be perfect for Christmas and the New Year's and veganuary. So as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, tell your friends, and I will be back with you guys again real soon, okay? Bye!